Welcome back to my channel. It's time for the first update, which will be a roundup of usage in January, and I might be rolling some new eyeshadows for the month of February. So let's start with the first shade that I rolled in, comes from this Wizard palette, and it was the 9th in a row, and I put it in this smaller palette. So it was this first shade. And in the month of January, I use it 17 times, so this one will be not rolling out. And the second one that I rolled in come from Wizard palette. I call this one black, but actually it's Praline Etendu, and it was number 8. So this one, which looks like this, and I've managed to use it 24 times in the month of January. Next one comes from Charlotte Tilbury from this quad in Pillow Talk, and it was the second shade. So this one, I've used it 19 times. And the last one comes from this Bobbi Brown palette. It was the second shade. So this one, and again, I've used it 19 times. And when it comes to singles, the first one that I chose was this one from Urban Decay in Moondust called Spaced Cowboy, and I've used it 10 times. And this one from Charlotte Tilbury, Hypnotizing Pop Shot in Pillow Talk Diamonds, called Diamond Dimension. I have used it 10 times. And it looks like this. So my goals were that for the shades from palettes, I need to use them 26 times before rolling them out. And for the single shades, I need to use them 10 times before rolling them out. And I've managed to use both of those shades 10 times. So those two will be rolling out. But when it comes to the rest of the shades, so this one, and those two, I will be rolling a replacement for this shade because it needs only 2 more uses. So let's throw dice. First, I will throw 1 dice, and this will choose the palette that I'll be working on. So here are the numbers from 1 to 6 on which palette I will be working. So let's throw it. I will be working on number 3, which is this Bobbi Brown palette. And let's see on which shade I'll be working. If it comes to uneven number, I will be working on this shade. But if it falls on an even number, then first I will need to bring the uses for the first rolling onto 26 on this one, and then I will need to use it additionally 26 times. So let's see. It's an even number, so it will be the first one. And now for the single shades, I will just move this one a little bit further, and I will throw 2 dice since I have 7 available options. So again, here are all the numbers from 1 to 7. When it goes from 1 to 7, then again 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So let's see, the first one will be number 6, which will be Charlotte Tilbury Hypnotizing Pop Shot in shade Rose Gold, which is this one. And the second one will be number 8, so 1 to 7, and then 8 will be again from Charlotte Tilbury, Eyes to Mesmerize in Rose Gold. And this one will be cream shade. And it looks like this. Both of these 2 eyeshadows I need to use 10 times. And the rest of the shades from palettes I need to bring uses to 26 times. So I will swatch the color story for month of February. So here is the color story for month of February. I need to use this first shade additionally 9 more times, this one 2 times, those two 7 more times. This one is a new one and I need to use it 26 times, and both of those two single shades, so this one is cream and this one is this pop shot, and they are both in shade rose gold, I need to use each of them 10 times. See you again at the end of February for my update. Bye!